Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah?
Yes, I. Brothers and sisters, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to grow the platform. You know, see. Now we have this ex-police officer up on social media where I look, we call it here, contribution to him fight against prostate cancer. You see, now, we not call it, we not brag our boy, we not show off, we not go on like we are celebrate him suffering or embrace him suffering, but it is what it is. And I am going on social media, go and look, support. You know, see it? Now, with that said, the guy, promote himself as, to me, it's like there was no other crime fighter in a Jamaica Rasta. Not from the days of Joe Lewis, or when named Joe something another downtown or wherever in a Kingston. The police that were the whole we did I hear about when we were youth. Say him was the real. You know what I say? Just like this guy and nobody else no do no form of police work. And in an argument they will ridicule every police officer, you know. And it's more than obvious. Him are the baddest, wickedest thing. And him take out every man in a history, Rasta. Every man in a history, him have an effect. You know, upon them. Me surprised him never say him sit down in the chair over Cayman's Park and bust it pan kappa. I am surprised. Me I listen for that all now, you know. It could have be the next chapter. I'm story, him bragging. Because we know say a big extrajudicial killing go on during them time there. And no man not supposed to come here and beg money for fight cancer and brag about them thing there. And romanticize and glamorize them criminality there. Regardless of the names. You know? Regardless of the names. Because one of the biggest thing, you know, you see, a guy a brag say him kill mass up on them sort of something there, you know, and the fact is them claims that them must be on suspension because a big inquiry did go on regarding the slaughter and mass up. You can bring up a subject like that while you look money in a GoFundMe if you buy. You not try benefit off of wickedness. In a lot of cases, you look like the type of person when nothing went wrong with you neither, and you just there use them sort of issue here for rob poor people, for scam poor people. The type of person when you sound like you're self-absorbed. You don't see it. And you're selfish and wicked with it. Because like I say, you really glamorize and laugh about certain things when you do. And we know say, you know how to protect yourself criminally. So you're not going to let on if there was any criminality in your action. No. You know your story, you claim say, mass up them left Cayman's Park and I come over. See? And two Z90 police. I try to stop him or intercept him and him no want stop. No. Oh, there wasn't any. You know, easier for them stop, take the check from the two Z90 police officer them. Since as them armed with a shotgun according to you, if them did stop, they not easy conquer that, dominate them two police officer, boom boom, and carry on with them journey and reach home without, you know, a bad drive them and I try lick them off of the bike and them sort of thing. They're coming all the way from Caymanas Park, Portmore to Tivoli Garden. You know, a regular them thing they happen. You know. And then now the location, a whole heap of elder and general, I said the location, them I can't tell you outlining. It look like you not even dead. Because people are listening to you in the area, you sound like a copycat, a wannabe. Everything, every significant areas of crime fighting, every little area where you know a certain significant happening go on in a crime fight in Jamaica, you did it. You just magically dip on duty all of them time there. You Rasta, you lie. And that's you lie in a bomb buckler. That never say a whole heap of water in your argument them. And then I beg money, should I try sound repentant and Christian wise or some level of humility. If you administrate. And poor people will take up them last cent come give guys like uno see them way, you know. Not realizing so not glamorize violence within the police force and lawlessness and illegality. Because as a minor stupidity, because I want to see when I manipulate the process and the process wasn't as robust as it is today. If you don't get away with a crime like that, Rasta, the street is up on the street and the street not too lie because if a shootout is going between Uno and Massop, the street would attack. Why would Massop stay down this one and do a shootout when in just them meters away from Tivoli Garden, where you know say any challenge from any law enforcement would have been met with probably superior artillery and superior forces in terms of numbers, Rasta. You know? Oh, that, you know, that make no sense. You know, make no sense. And you have to talk to some people when they know geographically the location and how certain things set up. You know, in your bragging regarding the death and destructions when you cast by enough innocent ghetto youth. You know, see it? Because the street have it to mass up, come out and car when him get stopped and put up him on them. And I take a arrest, mass up now, expect, or nah. You know, how him get gunshot under him arm. And him armpit if you and him in a shootout and them thing there. You know? The forensic evidence shows a statement and an argument full of hole and doubts. You don't get me? Even we not run with the argument, because we hear also say I wanna put gun upon the man them. You know see it? So even if the man them would have gun in the car and thing like that, and I shoot back after oh, is it possible for him get gunshot under him armpit? Even if after him get gunshot and drop, I want to go over him to finish him. Which man I go put gun under him arm and shoot him? How that work? How that would have benefit? You know? Explain that to the public with your lied self, you compare all of your police colleague them. Shame on you. Shame. Because you make the whole of them look inadequate. Like them I eat that all bigger food. They make big name brand bigger food look like eat that. Ox of all the person. One a day ox. You make it look like all of them one day a day where ox used to run with. And you give ox them for run with. You know? Yeah. And guess what? Bigger than that. This is the reason why you're there on the internet are big. Because enough of them man yeah, in a position where them can assist. Or comes you can organize and it's a the police union or the union of retired cops. Organize this GoFundMe thing you feel. You depend your own pan a channel where itself where sound like it make comedy out of the suffering and the death. I get to you notwithstanding and not observing the purpose we contribute to a lot of these youth demise or a lot of this youth waywardness. Without observation are holding these things to consequence. TIS, True Island Story, glamorize these things and make it sound like a cartoon game. In a female mind, it seems a bit lewd to me just to even behave them way they regarding, behave cartoonish and clowning regarding crime and violence in Jamaica. It's not a fucking joke, you fucking imbecile. It's not a joke, Rasta. Serious thing we have to get to people today. There's no joke or nothing I need to do. Highlighting these things to try to create a smile and a humor regarding this. You know, see, no, you must be sick in yourself as well, TIS. Your blood clot. Yeah, you must be twisted too. You know? And at this, so you as an individual now have to go to get certain support and recognition. I'm sure that's not the biggest platform in the world. You know, see, only part of the platform that way you could share your story to and probably generate the necessity, you know. But here what happen? You see, clown go a clown there. And you need some place where you can actually be yourself, which is what you did, Dadrick, whatever you want name, devil. Yeah. You know, see it. And this is not in any way disregarding the seriousness of prostate cancer or anything like that, you know. No. We know it's a serious issue and it affects various people suffer from it and think no disrespect to the sufferers of prostate cancer. It's not a joke. Nor is extrajudicial killing within the police force of Jamaica. Nor is the reason and purpose behind the youth them need for crime and violence. There is no hope. There is no support. Even the police force, watch ya. Is like one of them that we claim say him alone single-handedly take out all of the historic gangsters them at Jamaica. They on internet. I beg there is no structure to help him out or assist him. How will there be structure to get to you to them on the street and their home? Oh, you know, how? And in your last days, you have gap for ear Rasta. And at them you use the last breath, at them think they use the last breath and romanticize the violence and the validation and the support structure I want to provide to a corrupt government for maintain the status quo in the ghetto. And now realize that the same thing affect you rather than I do a program expressing your disgust in how the government structure, the police force neglect to set up any form of, you know, structure so that a youth like a guy like you can get some support in a days like these rather than, you know, it would be better for you use that as a type of, you know, way forward, forget where you are rather than they there talk how much youth and youth you dash way. Eh? He's a devil. Dadrick the devil. He's a blood clot devil Rasta. Yeah, man. You can see it in your face, so you're unrepentant. You're a big old tired waste man, you know. And you bring down even, you're bridging them way and them work. Me no hear you talk about no man, no police will ever save your life. You never get challenged yet, yo. And that's why you have to there beg. You can't go to them and ask none of them for assist you. Because the man don't like you. He's an egotistical imp. And the whole of them realize that. And you good at them have no connection or oh, you good at no. Shame on you, man. Shame on your blood clot, man. He's a disgrace, Rasta. He's a disgrace, man. He's a disgrace, man. You still have little time for repent and you stay there. Hear you, Rasta. Hear how you sound, Aya. Hear how you sound. What you want to tell a youth like me? Say, all of them killing the way you claims was justified. We don't intend to discuss them regarding the other super cop them what we know at Jamaica. We don't intend to discuss them. I discuss the circumstance because, again, you know, there's always a development to certain things. Most cases, there is always a development with the character where the police got take out over time. You know, him grow to a certain level and the police decide say a calling time. You see, because someone treat it and I saw you talk about it like you just go call a guy. You know, say, you go catch a man in a house, sit down. With him gun in him lap next door to the house where Uno a search for him up a Mountain View. And you just point to him 16 pan him and rip him up. Yeah? Come on. How that work out? Eh? How that go? How is that acceptable? I know some of the things them way attack is criminal. And you're lucky. You need to be looked into by the Integrity Commission and both by Indicom, Rasta. Yeah, you sound like an old murderer than anything else. And you sound so unrepentant, it's amazing, Aya. You know? And somebody give you a platform for you chat them way there. Without even warning and you feel like the person that like you or have your best interest at heart, allow you to incriminate yourself as far as I'm concerned, as dumb as I am regarding the law. You still not say the man up a Mountain View, pointing gun or even grab it to say it was in him lap. You know see it? And you wrap him up. You don't even juke him and say if you touch that, you did not like that. Your argument, you know. Your argument, you know say police, don't move, boy. You not like that. You just immediately, oh, that acceptable. You see it? We are telling you, and the poor people know, you expect to take up them pennies and put in our cars to save a life like yours when you no respect or put no value upon life. No. If Massop was here and have prostate cancer, what are the likelihood for Massop up on social media? And look, contribution. What are the likelihood, Rasta? Eh? No. I feel like him colleagues, them and probably the political alignment where him have, would have been there for him. And he wouldn't find himself in such a sorrow state. Because, you know, in a lot of cases it is worthy. And the people them who find themselves in a certain situation, then they have to start a GoFundMe. You know, I have no problem with GoFundMe. You know, see, I don't see it as a shame and a disgrace, you know. See? But you have some people who truly don't deserve it. Like a girl the other day where claims that she accidentally buy a 80,000 US SETI come on social media ball and I say, oh, she accidentally put in her PIN code, her bank details, the name of her bank, and press send. I press buy by accident. What kind of accident that? And a ball to our followers them for donate back the money to her. You know, that's how some of the followers the man have to ask her, so hold on, usually with such a big sales, the bank would have stopped the sale and call you have some other second way or they confirm say, are you a make a sale, a purchase like that, you know? But you want just go to like that. Vroops. That's what you call it accident now. That means it's like you have a big spending threshold with the bank, which would have mean so you have serious money overall in the bank. You don't see it. You don't see it. Yet still, she beg poor people and a ball to poor people to send back the $80,000 where she sell by accident. Now me want to know if this piece of furniture don't have a return clause with it. This is America. Everything, anything can be returned. You know? But it is what it is. Seeing? So people use these medium for various desires and prey upon the vulnerability and naivety of a lot of people who exist and find relevance within the circle because you feel me and your friend, we see things like me say things where it's representative of you. So we automatically becomes friends, you know, and them sort of thing there. You know? It's amazing, Rasta, the depths where acceptance where we add towards certain depraved nature and mentality. You know, say, Dadrick, when you name Dadrick, and Dadrick call your friend call you, we are talking about you, and tell you say you're dead already. Which I know I'm supposed to Dadrick or something like that, which mother will call him anything in reference to dead. Dadrick. You know? Your friend I tell you say you know, come on man, I want to know. What the morality there? You know? What kind of depths of depravity you can feel like say when you put some limit on them thing there, Rasta, when you offer any form of moral consideration for the people them we want to serve, or the people them want to depend upon, in this case here, for assistance. You see it? You know? Compare yourself to some of them old youngsters they have to pass, Rasta, who might have found themselves in the same situation. You see it? I know many of them. And it's like nature put them in a situation where them not beg to do that. It can reach anyone away any day, you know, anyone away there beg same way. But we attack, you know, you know, what to the rest of no police. Not have that there, no other police, no other. Come on, man. You just come like a bragging platform. It's a platform you look for brag. Well done. You were successful with that, at least you grabbed my attention. You see, anyway, wicked there, you know, wicked it's just a twisted circle. You see, yeah, just a twisted circle. And your wickedness, a feed by you look like and I eat you out from inside. It sound, you know, it's on our way. You see, what will people get wrong diagnosed and misdiagnosed all the while? So we don't know if it's true, say, all of this is, you know, my heart and concern is always with the people who, the true sufferers of prostate cancer, or any serious sickness for that matter. This is no case of disrespect or a insensitive way of looking at the situation. You know, see, anyway, I man give thanks. Rastafari.